You know that scene at the end of Spider-Man where his mask is all ripped and Harry says,
"What have you done?"
Well, have you ever stopped to wonder how that scene might have played out if instead of Peter Parker, it was Daniel?
Alright, give me a second.
Give me a second.
I want to show you the face I'd be making. Can you see me?
Keep going up. Keep going up. Still can't see you. Go up. Go towards the light. Go towards the light. Go towards the light. Go towards the light.
I'd be like... Open the door. Easy.
That's exactly what I was picturing.
Look. Stop right there! One piece.
Tarek, can you tell Dan a story about you getting Dark Souls invaded yesterday?
No. I got a call. We were watching the did I get a call from Lily? She's like, what's your address? And I don't know, I just said it. I'm like, why? And then I heard laughing in the background.
He said why after, I love that.
Yeah, I've never had to hide my address, I didn't even think about it. And I hear, oh my god, he just gave it away! And I hear like,
like it was a real struggle.
and then hung up. I'm like, oh fuck, I'm looking out my window.
I thought they were gonna send you like a big like dildo in the mail or something.
I'll use it. Oh my god,
You lost yet, Tarek?
No, but I'm 2-0, so yeah, I've lost.
Fine.
Oh,
Yeah,
what the fuck are you doing, team?
Yeah, man, it's your boy Young Philly.
Sorry, I was 3-0 before.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. It's Chunks. I be like the sauce. I be like the sauce, Panero. Darkest man, aka darkest man in the world.
Just drink a bunch of coffee and go to bed.
That's what my dad does.
He has heart palpitations in the middle of the night.
Visual.
Goes up against that table.
No, it's way funnier. It's way funnier thinking that he like tells the whole family that this is some perfect remedy.
Have a cup of coffee and go right to bed, and then the next 2 hours later.
What? Hey Siri. Pick a number between 1 and 60.
It's gonna be Maguire again.
Bolt.
Oh my god. I just typed Bolt runtime.
Bolt.
And he gave me Usain Bolt.
Hey, thread that needle. Damage boost this. I don't even have to damage boost it. Yeah, go on. Never have to do this all again. Get in, son. Oh, my willy fits right into the headphone jack of my controller.
What?
Bitch, don't kill my Benny. Don't kill my Benny, bitch. Bitch, don't kill my Benny.
That's like a little remix for you. You know the remix? People size of the 12. She almost shines like Chanel. Yo, yeah.
That's so funny. That's exactly. But I was also expecting you to stand stuff like this.
Oh, I'll show you how I'd be standing. Ready? Ready? I'll show you how I'd be standing. Like, imagine the whole class again. I'm just like...
It's that picture of the really sad guy, and it's like the really crude drawing of a stick figure in his room, and he's like really sad, and there's like scribbles everywhere, and then the door opens and there's the little frog guy. Oh, frog guy from DKO, hi!
What? You're on crack, my friend.
You just don't know what
I
I'm
understood.
talking about.
You
That
just
doesn't
don't know
mean
what it
I'm
is.
crack.
Yeah, but what frog guy? There's no frog guy in the game. It's about
Yeah.
God.
Yeah, the little froggies around the map. Do you have the perception of a big fat foo? Huh?
Oh my god.
What? I don't get it.
His name is Paul, the character.
Oh.
Hi,
Oh,
Tarek.
okay. I didn't know that.
Why were we talking about Paul?
Hi, Tarek.
I just thought he
was
came up
Harvey?
with a conversation like he does sometimes. Do you reckon Paul's parents love him?
Mustache.
No, she didn't. She made that vote.
I don't get. Got hit by Lil McDare as well. Okay, I should have known he would have just pressed it straight away.
Do you think this is the end for Smash? Like,
What?
are they actually not gonna make
This match.
Yeah, I'm saying, are they not gonna make Smash anymore? Like, they're not gonna make a Smash 7?
That's so funny.
Is this the end of Smash?
What?
Gotta
Fuck
move
off! This game's so shit. What the fuck?
When do I know I'm
I've
smart?
never understood making a bed.
You won't.
Yeah, you're just gonna fucking sleep in it again. My parents never made me make my bed.
That's all it is, Miles. A leap of faith.
Make this happen.
Like, what's up, danger? Like, what's up, danger? Like, what's up, danger?
Hogwarts Legacy 70% off if you can name 3 Harry Potter quotes.
Where's this? Where's this?
Fine.
PlayStation Store.
Uh-huh.
That's not real.
Put it on your Pottermore account and then link it. Like multiple.
Fuck. Okay, Pottermore account. I'm only joking, Josh. I'm only choking the chicken.
Oh, you're only slamming that ham candle.
Oh, well, sorry. You shouldn't have.
Over one out.
Right.
Yep.
It was fun. Dude.
I have more efficiency with this, I reckon.
Not today. Not tomorrow.
Oh, did you see that?
It's the funny. No, I'm saying
Oh. Do you reckon it'll be decent? I reckon this one will be decent.
I think.
What?
Oh,
What? What?
Oh, alright. Oh, Professor.
Oh! Exit wound.
I'd like to say a few words.
Apple.
Eternal
Pumpernickel.
glory.
Apple.
That's what awaits the student
Eye.
who wins the
Rabbit.
Triwizard Tournament.
Harp.
To
Home.
do this, that student must survive
Water.
3
Rum.
tasks. 3 extremely dangerous tasks. For this reason, the dinner seemed fit to impose a new to explain all.
What are you trying to do?
Trying to see if I can do it.
Please stop doing loops in the library, please.
What do you suppose Dean sees in her, Ginny?
Autopsy came. Turns out Alan.
What does she see in him? Dean. He's brilliant.
Yeah, Harry Potter's Autopsy came out. He died for me absolutely throat fucking the shit out of him.
My sister.
Dude, like he cut his throat down with like a
On Wattpad.
respect. And
Edra, please.
She's one with the little cretins and the creeps. She absolutely fucking kills the birds.
Error.
Practice.
Yeah, when Errol shoved him into your piss and shit.
Smoothie.
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 How does it feel, Harry?
Oh,
Should have
piss
heard it
smoothie.
today. He came in the
Yeah.
text room and he was like, I'm a bad man. And Tarek was like, okay, can you leave now?
Okay, say it again.
Oh.
Nah, I'm not gonna.
No, it was something about my mom or my dad, an
Yeah.
inch.
Yeah. So you sandwich between them. Would you rather move
Please let
1
me die.
inch forward
Oh,
into your
I don't have
mum,
burst.
or 1 inch back and your dad goes into you?
Well,
do.
I'm not gonna be flaccid, so into my mom.
I do.
No, I mean,
Yeah,
No, but it doesn't even have soda water.
Would never try to pressure me into drink.
That's because you can't afford it with your peak, beautiful fitness.
I just mainly got the barmaid pregnant.
What?
Just prize. What if we did Matrix roleplay? I brought tea, one was red and one was blue. I said, I got the prize.
Act like no one ever heard that. Why is no one addressing what Josh just said? Great goblet, great goblet, great goblet.
I spent the time equivalent to the entire month of February on this game.
What's February?
You got me questioning if I said it wrong then. February.
You did.
And I didn't. February. How?
That's wrong. There's an R before the.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. That's dude. You're kidding.
What? February?
That's how it's February.
Wait, you are.
No, Uary. February. Tarek.
Where's the U come from?
What do you mean? Where's the U come from?
There's no U.
There is a U. February.
You just said something different again. The king is back. Hello?
Hi. Yes. Let's play.
Very king.
Nice back.
But then I remembered that night.
I hate you, Cody.
What's this music?
It's okay.
It's amazing.
That suggests that what you fear the most is fear itself. This is very wise.
Before
Okay, POV headspace.
I heard something. A woman. Screaming. Memories forces to the very worst memory.
You laughed, Harry.
Their power.
I didn't. Currently trying to watch a movie.
Recognized you immediately. Not by your scar, by your eyes. They know me. Yes.
Cody, you're still so
I didn't say it.
You're still so salty from me destroying you 4 times because you're so useless in life.
I'm so useless in life.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a really strong magnet and go. I'm gonna get a really strong magnet and go across all the guys' knees.
That's right.
Anyway, what are you gonna do with your magnet?
You read it. No, it's not that strong.
What are you gonna do with your big magnet?
Go across all the guys' knees.
He passed
What?
away.
Okay.
Because
One
yes.
of the guys' knees can't fucking do.
Hey, I'm gonna bring a McDonald's Happy Meal.
I'm gonna bring a double quarter pounder meal in front of all the guys too. Eat the first.
Here comes the man in black.
4時4分です。I like the same song or something.
Yeah. It's the mama.
になた元
What the
気
fuck was that?
We should go text them.
Oh yeah, I used to like change my name on Switch, like kill yourself, and then set up a friend request. It felt so much more rewarding than if you could just like message them.
It's more effort.
Yeah.
What's that?
They have the oh my god, they have the Secrets of Dumbledore. Let's watch that instead.
On that train.
What are you, crazy?
Yeah.
Just get me close enough to jump.
Guess that answers that question.
She did. Oh, they do like Australia though. Crash Bandicoot is Australian.
Yeah, they are. No,
Who was it? Was it you, Dan? You thought Crash? No, it was Roosevelt. Roosevelt, you were like, Bandicoots for America.
Slenderman
or something.
V1.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Slenderman V1. He
What's
screams.
what's the use of bandicoots? Why do we have him?
I don't know.
Josh, what continent is Cambodia in?
I don't know.
Hi.
Australia.
Huh? I am. Why? They need me.
The coldest thing Ollie's ever said in his life.
Daniel, you like that?
Yeah, so,
That was so
that's
funny.
the most awesome thing you'll ever say.
Why were you on your data before?
Because it's faster than its regular. How long have you known Tarek?
Yeah, but like, Jesus Christ, this is that
Yeah, but
slow.
like, I'm an Iranian.
Dude, he said it took 5 hours
No,
for
no, no,
500
no.
megabytes. Of course it sounds slow.
Leave him alone. It's
His
not his fault.
response
He's
just like
Iranian.
him talking right
He's
now.
Iranian,
Is
leave him
20
alone.
minutes ago he said that.
You have to understand,
Totally
in
just
Iran,
made it through.
in Iran, the
Here
air
we
is
go, here we go again. Fucking
the
hell.
air is so
Trump card.
toxic. The air is so toxic that sometimes
In Iran, when they go
when the baby's
to
born, it just melts. It just melts instantly.
in Iran.
It lets out like a little, and then the baby's just
Oh, one of
born.
them does it.
Now down in Lara,
Dalai Lama.
Dalai Lama.
down in Lara,
Who's
where our
there?
babies are born.
That's too far.
No, we have a baby problem.
That. Most of the babies that are born in Lara, they're born down in the south. So.
Bro, not even one baby a week is born in Lara.
Stop.
They're born in the south.
Down in Lara.
What do you say?
Man, they're born in Lara. They're born in the
When they're born in Lara, they're born next to the south.
It's the air in Iran. It's because he went back recently.
And then when they're born down in the south. And then